25 Mazda CX-50 cabin air filter service. Okay, we're just removing this one today. I'm going to check on it. It's going to be behind your glove box here. We're going to need to remove this panel up here, but we need to take this tray out first. You just pull it, and then it unlocks. Okay. So to remove this panel here, there's 4 clips you need to push, and at the same time you need to pull down on the panel. Okay, so push, pull, push, pull, and I'll unlock it. Okay, you get on all 4 of those tabs. Now you need to, this is actually the filter here. Okay, it comes in a unit. There's a tab here on the top and at the bottom. You need to squeeze these together and it unlocks this thing, and the whole filter will come out. Okay, again, this is a unit. This one definitely needs to be changed. If you need one, check the description box. I have a link to Amazon where you can pick one of these up. They're like $11 to $12. Not too bad. I don't have one with me today, so we're not changing it, but I am going to recommend to my customer this needs to be done ASAP. Okay, so you get your new one, you just put everything back in reverse order, and you're all done.